Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every time I say that, I feel like it's been a million years since we talked, and that's just not the case because it's definitely been 2 weeks. But that's fine. I don't mean to leave you all for this long at any given time. But alas, I did, and I just realized I don't have my eye base. Okay, crisis averted. So, yeah, I feel like it's been a really long time. I never mean to leave you all without something for more than a week at a time. The goal is always at least one video per week, but life has been happening. She has been whooping my ass. I've had time to film certain days, but I am just so exhausted and so tired, and I'm trying to avoid getting burnt out, and the balance of life and creativity and all that other stuff is just not happening. So anyway, I'm here now, long story short, and we're gonna do a look today that's been bouncing around in my mind. By my outfit, you're probably like, oh my God, are you going on some beach vacation? Is it warm enough to go outside in a swimsuit and cover up? No. However, I want to project that energy. And also I had like my little Monster High moment 2 weeks ago. I kind of thought, I always do Draculaura and like Frankie Stein, and I've done Claudine Wolfe, but I've never done like a Laguna Blue inspired look other than just like full on painting myself blue. So I wanted to do something kind of in that direction today. Not only with the outfit for the TikTok, but with the makeup vibe. And I'm feeling pastel-y. I know, pastels in spring, groundbreaking. I also I was scrolling through my Instagram because sometimes when I get in these kind of ruts where I don't really know what to do next, I will go back and scroll through my Instagram and find old looks that I did that I really, really liked. And so I did that, and I got all the way back to 2020. And God, was lockdown me just at her peak, truly. Not having to go anywhere, just getting to create for like 3 months straight. So I was like, what did I do during that time? I kept finding these looks with white eyeliner, and I'm like, why did I stop using white eyeliner? So we're doing that today. We're doing a very mod pastel look. So I'm starting with a matte white eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use this to set everything because I think having this white base is gonna help those pastels that I use later be less chalky, because so much of the time pastels are so chalky, hard to work with, especially blues. I'm not using blue today, I'm gonna be using green. If you've been here for a while, do you remember when I only used that bright white NYX base? That was such a good product. I don't know that they make it anymore, or I feel like they just don't sell it like at a regular store. Like you would have to go to like a NYX Pro store, which I'm going to New York in less than a month. Praise Jesus. I can't wait to be back in the city, going with my best friend and my mom, and it's gonna be a grand old time. We have on the docket bookstores, food, speakeasies, and that's about it. So, and a Yankees game, duh. But I completely forgot. I did a very New York thing when I lived there, and I went to the opening of the NYX store and met Candy Johnson when I was there. And she's really quite lovely, honestly. I am packing this Seafoam Green. It's from the NYX Air palette. Yes, I know this palette is old as time. And I don't even know that this one really took off. They had like, it was all different elements, and you were supposed to take whatever your zodiac sign is. And I'm a Libra, so I picked air. I wanted all of them, but I really liked the pastels. And even with the white, I'm really having to build this up. I can already tell it's patchy. But I need to go, but the moral of this tangent is I want to go back to the NYX store and maybe stock up on some things. However, I'm very excited to go because my friend has been to New York, but it was like a school trip. So it was very much just like, oh, we're going to Times Square. And then they saw 2 Broadway plays. And then they did like Rock Center. So she got to see like all the big stuff, which we will probably still go do like the bigger things. We'll go to Times Square and do stuff there. She didn't get to see like other parts of New York, and I think we're gonna go out to Brooklyn, and I want her to see like the skyline from that view. We're going to the world's biggest Barnes and Noble, of course. Which is so funny to me because I did not know it's the world's biggest Barnes and Noble. I used to go there all the time because it was right across from my dorm. So I just went all the time, not realizing that like now it's like people's dream to go there, which is so, I mean, maybe that's a New York-y thing. Like some people are like, oh, I dream of going here and seeing this and that. And for people who live in New York full time, it's like, I see that every third Tuesday. Like, what are you talking about? It's not that special. Now that I've sufficiently packed on, I think probably 4 layers of this color on my eyes, we're going to move on to the eyeliner. It's super simple look today. I just really wanted to do it. This is not my favorite white eyeliner. My favorite white eyeliner, they don't make anymore. And it's the NYX one that was white and in a little like dip pot, just like my favorite black eyeliner. And they don't make that anymore. This one is good, but you just have to really like push down in order to get the white. And I don't even think you can really see it on camera. I've definitely used face paint in lieu of white liquid eyeliner before, because sometimes the white just gets eaten up. You have to like push a lot of the product out using the top of the lid. Try and pack some of the matte white onto this using a liner brush. Not only set the white, but okay, that's definitely making that brighter. Just to brighten her up a bit. Much better. Much more the vibe I was looking for. I'm just gonna finish this eye off because the liner is gonna take a minute on the other side too. Mascara, I'm gonna use black mascara. So nothing out of the ordinary really here. That makes your lashes like stand out so much more. And then for the lashes, because I'll probably do those off camera, I'm gonna do the little half lashes I've been liking, because that's gonna blend much better with the white liner than doing a full strip lash and having to try and blend that black line in with the white line. It's just not gonna work. Okay, here we are with the lash. I feel like the eyes just are so dominant right now, which is fine. It's fine with me. We are going to start on the base. Nothing different than any other day. Brighten your day primer and pop that in with a clean sponge. All my sponges are dirty. It is so overwhelming. I have like 30 sponges, all dirty. Have not washed a one in so long. And I'm like, you know, I really need to wash these. I need to find a way to like mass wash them. I think I may need to just like put them in the washing machine in a delicates bag and see what happens. I don't know if I'll ruin them or not. Like just by themselves, like not with any other clothes. Or maybe I should put them in just with towels. You let me know. I don't want my base to be too heavy today. So we're gonna spread her out kind of thin. I want the skin to be very glowy, dewy, natural. So I'm only using a little bit of foundation. Just enough to even me out. And then I already did under my eyes with concealer at the beginning. Has anyone been watching Housewives? Because I am on Beverly Hills, or I'm finishing the reunion from Beverly Hills right now. But I'm watching Atlanta, and you can just tell this is not gonna be a great season. I mean, first of all, the whole thing with Kenya doing what she did to Britt, I thought was gonna be the majority's feeling, but apparently people are agreeing that it's okay that Kenya brought these images of Britt as like a video girl out, like to a public event, which, I mean, she said on the show before that she was in videos and stuff, so not quite sure why Kenya thought that was dropping like some big bomb on everybody. I guess maybe some people didn't know or have some sort of feeling about it. I don't know. But to like hijack your own event with something like that feels really stupid. I'm going in with a little bit bigger brush for my contour because I want it to also bronze. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. This is my old Hello Kitty one that's somewhat shimmery, but it's very pink. I want this blush to look like just a little bit, not sunburned, but like, you know what I mean? Like it's just a little bit pinky all over. I'm gonna do the hairline, do a little bit on the nose. I do a little on the chin too. So it's like that, oh, I just came in out of the sun and I'm a little bit sunburned, like just a little pink, a little bit tan tomorrow look, which is not me. I fry. Like you all know I preach about SPF because I fry. And then I'm gonna use a gold-based highlight. That in the hairline too. I think the eyes need just a little hint of a little shade of dark underneath. And I have a deep teal color, so I think I'm gonna use that. There we go. And that way it's not so stark. I felt like the eyes just look too harsh. I like that kind of the whole way around look. Now lips, this is a soft matte lip cream in Vienna. I don't know that I love this. I'm gonna grab a different color. Before I do that, I'm gonna do my brows because I just realized that's half the reason this looks weird is I have no eyebrows on. A lot better. Not gonna lie, that made a big difference. Let me make sure that they're even. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna go grab a different lip color. I'm gonna leave the color I have on, and then I'm just gonna put a very pink gloss over top. Okay, I'm gonna go put on the wig now. And here it is with the wig. So the wig is from Spirit, and it has such long, chunky bangs. I literally had to braid them back just so they weren't down here and like this far out from my head. But this is how it looks all together. I think it definitely hits that kind of festival vibe, like 2016, we're going to a Kesha concert look, right? We all remember that time. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one, which will hopefully be sooner than later.